Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn life cycle of butterfly. Life cycle of butterfly consists of 4 steps. And the first one step is eggs. In second step, caterpillar hatches from these eggs. After the second stage, third stage is chrysalis. Chrysalis is also called pupa. After this stage, a complete butterfly appears. So, in the first stage, a female butterfly lays eggs on a leaf. These eggs are different in color for different butterflies. In second step, caterpillar hatches from these eggs. The favorite food of caterpillar is leaves. Caterpillar eats leaves and it becomes chrysalis. Chrysalis is a transitional stage, and in this stage, wings appear slowly. Chrysalis, which is also called pupa, cannot move, and at last, a beautiful butterfly appears. These are the 4 stages of life cycle of a butterfly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.